Ace Series HP4000. HP4000, based of 3D design capability and high analysis technology, has step guide shape to minimize deformation of the column by heavy cutting force. The rigid coupling in HP4000 perfectly presents the backlash hysteresis occurred by changes of torque or rotating direction in the flexible types. The standard main spindle of maximum 14,000 RPM has tool clamping force of 10,000 newtons and the rated power of 18.5 kilowatts when continuous, 22 kilowatts for 30 minutes for long-time heavy cutting operations. It also provides dual contact tool system as standard to make better cutting performance and surfaces. This dual contact system is compatible with BT, and you can choose HSK type by option. Our servo motor-driven tool magazine stores 40 tools as basic option to maximum 262, and each tool has its own fixed address for convenient use and maintenance. And it reduces non-cutting time by tool pot searching time of 0.17 seconds and tool-to-tool change time of 1 second. HP4000 satisfies needs for high speed, high precision, and heavy cutting. This many-sided HP4000 guarantees higher productivity and the biggest profit ever for you through enough time to design machining process and products of perfect quality.